what's up everybody? Chris Young from Gander RV and Outdoors, standing aside the 2020 Thor Daybreak 22DB. A great Class C motor coach if you're looking to take the family and just get out and go. So what do you say we check it out? Let's start right over here in the living area. You got this dinette, which does convert to a sleeper, but the great thing about it, seat belts on both sides. So it is safe. The kids can ride here, the adults can ride there. Got the large bay window, so if they're traveling down the road, they can see what's going on. And one of the features that I really like about Thor is the space and storage. They've put so much thought into putting your stuff away. They give you tons of space. Like for example, this nice mirrored door right here. It's actually a pass-through wardrobe to the master bedroom. So you want to hang up your backpacks, your coats, whatever, got the space right there to do it. We move over to the bunk over cab, which is a unique feature to the Class Cs. They look like trucks that just have big giant things above where you drive. That's called the bunk over cab. 500 pounds max capacity there, but you do have the two cup holders. You got the ladder here, which helps the kids get up there, and you have the television, which swings around. So if you're sitting in the dinette, you can watch TV, or if somebody's up here, they just want to check some stuff out, they can sit, and when they're ready to go to bed, just push it away. We come to the cab, and you'll see this is on the Ford 350 chassis. So it has a 6.8 liter Triton V10 engine in it. Got the touch screen, which does have your backup monitor in it, cup holders, nice plush cloth seats. Man, it's just a nice ride. It makes for a great trip. We come over to the kitchen. You'll see you got the deep sink right here with the high-rise faucet and the sprayer. I love that sink, that brushed nickel look. Got the extendable right here if you need to do a little bit more prep space, and of course campside window just past the kitchen. 3-burner stove with the glass cover, which also doubles as a splash top. And I'm just a big fan of these. I've said it many times. I like this grill style grate. You can just move everything around easily. Oven down here, so if you want to do some baking, nothing like camp cookies. And got the LED light, which is a great accent. So nice, especially at night. If you don't want to cut the lights on, but you want to move throughout the coach. More storage above the microwave. You got a 7 cubic foot fridge right here, which gives you a lot of space if you want to take the drinks on the road, or you just want to spend a weekend and you don't want to have to keep going to the store. Got the space there. Store it away, it's not going to spoil. More storage throughout the coach, and you can see Thor has these solid wood doors. All the shelves, you can move around, make the space fit your lifestyle. We move back here to the master bedroom, and you'll see nice big plush bed, got windows on both sides, nice residential looking headboard too. More storage up top, and the mirrored wardrobe. Just light, airy, roomy, and comfortable. Just feels like you're home. You even have a space right here if you want to mount a TV. Got your power outlets, HDMI, and cable connection right there. So you say, okay, this is pretty cool, but what else about it? How about as you're going down the road, you can access the bathroom? Yep. Then look at how much room you got in here. This is a 24-foot motor coach, man. And I'm sitting down, I got plenty of leg room, ceramic bowl with the foot flush, got plenty of countertop space here in the bathroom with a brushed nickel sink, along with the fixtures. Got a nice corner medicine cabinet, and we come over here to the shower, and I got room and light for days. This skylight makes it so nice in here. Not only am I not hitting my knuckles when I'm trying to wash my hair, but I got plenty of room, plenty of light, makes it nice, light, and airy. Plus, as you're going down the road, you can access the bathroom, so you don't have to worry about stopping and pulling over. We've seen the inside of this 22DB from Thor. Let's go check out the outside. So here we are on the outside of the 2020 Thor Daybreak 22DB. And I want you to take a look along the side of this beautiful coach. Now, the Thor Daybreaks are exclusive to Gander RV and Outdoors. I love this color scheme. The black and the blue and the white, it looks good when it's set up on the camp. It looks good when it's going down the road, which you're not gonna have any problem with on this 350 Super Duty chassis. This has a Ford V10 6.8 liter engine inside of it. So you want to get up the hills, you want to do some passing, you're good to go. Got the extended oversized mirrors. We move down here to the 15-foot awning, which also has the LED lights underneath, giving you plenty of space and coverage if you want to entertain outside, maybe do some grilling. You even have power ports right here, so if you want to plug in your phone, boom box, you are covered. Yes, I said boombox. I still call it that. Got the wet storage down here. So if you want to throw in some of your fishing gear, your wet hiking shoes, whatever you're doing outside, you're good to go right there. Solid grab handle. And I love the hydraulic hinges on these doors. Plus, you got the LED light, the rubberized steps, which makes it so much nicer, and a fire extinguisher right there at the door. And if you look up just to the left, just a little bit, you'll see right there your control panel. That's for your LP, that's for your generator, the whole nine. It's always right there, good, easy spot. Everything is nice and labeled. Thor did a really good job of just making it convenient and easy to not only own, but use these coaches. Come to the rear, you got your 4x4 sewer hose storage. Got your backup camera right there, solid ladder. And once again, if you notice, the handles go all the way over the top of the coach. Extra security, extra strength. Got your slide toppers on top of your slide. This is the master bedroom. Got these tinted black rubberized sealed windows all the way throughout the entire coach. More storage underneath right there. Got 2 levels. So if you want to put beach chairs, beach towels, maybe camping gear, fishing gear, you got plenty of space to do that. This unit does come with a 4,000 watt Onan generator, which is quiet running, gives you a lot of power and can go for a long time. Got your city water connection right here, your black tank flush right there. Cable connection, 30 amp service. LP access is right here. Of course, that's the back of the furnace right here. But when it comes to traveling, you want to get outside. You know, we live in such a spontaneous day and age right now. A lot of times the trips aren't really planned and hotels can be expensive. Airline tickets can be expensive. Why not check out a Class C motorhome? You're only going to find these Thor Daybreaks at Gander RV and Outdoors. So leave me a comment down below. Would love to know, what do you like? Where would you take it? What would you do with it? We're going to try to respond to everybody because we love hearing what you like to do and hearing about your adventures. Thank you so much for hanging with me today. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. We look forward to getting extreme on you and getting you extremely happy with one of these Thor Daybreaks. I'll see you soon.